Okay guys, this is a cool tool that I wanted to teach you about. It is a little higher level, so if you feel like you're not ready to go to the next level with technology, that's totally fine. You can ignore this. But if you feel like you're ready to spice things up in your classroom, then this is a good resource, okay? It's called Applied Digital Skills. Okay, so if you type in Applied Digital Skills in Google, it should take you to this website. Okay, now the only main issue with this is that it doesn't really play nicely with Canvas, but it is a great tool for like self-paced learning for different students, and for maybe if you have a sub, right, and you want the kids to actually do something and not just put in a movie. So this is a great tool for that. Okay, so when you get to this main page, you need to log in. So I'm already logged in, but you should see something similar to this. You'll click on teacher, okay, and then it should have you go to a sign-in page. Okay, so then you can start. What you'll need to do, this is where it kind of gets, it depends on what you want to do, right? But you would want to create a class, okay? And so for your different subjects, you'd want to create the different classes, okay? So for instance, I teach like financial literacy, okay? Or whatever. Choose the class color, middle school or high school, or create class, okay? This is important because this is how kids will actually get to the different lessons, okay? So now I want to go find a lesson that's pre-made with the little short videos that kids can do. Okay, and so there's a lot of different lessons in here. So there's different ways I can sort by topic, I can sort by the type of digital tool, I can sort by the audience. Okay, there's also different collections that they put up here that you can see, right? So for instance, let's say I want to do something on Black History Month. Okay, so I can click on that and it will show me a list of different lessons in this collection. Okay, so maybe I look through some of them and I say, oh, create a community My Map. Customize a map that highlights locations important to your community and culture, right? That seems like it might be a fun activity for kids to do, especially maybe with a sub or depending on what you're teaching in your curriculum. Okay, so all you're going to do is click Add to Class, okay, and then I can add it to my financial literacy class. Okay, so I'm going to click Add to Class, okay, and now I can go View Class. So now I've got this page. Okay, so at this point I have it created. Kids will be able to go through the different activity or the lessons, right? If I want to view the lesson, it'll show me what that lesson looks like. Okay, so basically they'll go through different movies or short videos and they'll work their way through the assignment with these different videos. Okay, get back to my class. Okay, so but now I need students to actually get on there, and so this is where I would add it to my Canvas. Okay, I can easily just add this to Canvas. Okay, it's I would create like maybe a page that says digital learning lessons or something like that, and then I can just copy this here, and students will click on the link, they'll sign in with their email or their Google account, they'll click that they're a student, they'll join the class and enter the code for your class. Okay, and then it'll take them to here, and at that point they can complete whatever lessons you have added on here. Okay, so again, this would be great for lesson plans for subs. As well as maybe if you want just like an easier day where the kids are self-paced and you're able to work more one-on-one with students who need extra help. Okay, so it's really simple. It has the different assignments that they have to do within the activity. Some are longer, some are shorter. The one we just chose was 45 minutes to an hour, but there's other ones that are like 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so just make sure that you find the lesson that's relevant to what you're looking for and go with it. Thanks.